Ho, ho! Ho, ho! So tell me, what do you think about this new tree? Does it meet your approval? Is it big enough? Is it bright enough? Oh, I didn't think so. Let's see what I can do to change that. Oh, ho, 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 ho. I got it! Are you guys ready to light up this magnificent tree?
Yeah!
Let's count down together. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Has to be the brightest, biggest tree I've ever seen. Wow! This will surely be bright enough to light up Dallas all through the season. Let's continue the City Lights celebration with more festivities on the Main Street Garden Stage. Well, look, there's Gloria Campos from WFAA-TV Channel 8. Gloria, take it from here.
All right, thank you, Santa. Welcome to City Lights. We have more program for you tonight. We've got wonderful performers here for you with the Dallas Theater Center, Turtle Creek Choir, Jazz Trio, and of course the Dallas Wind Symphony. So come closer.